Just started investing? Awesome. But be careful. Most beginners make the same 5 mistakes. And these mistakes can cost you real money. Let's walk through them and learn how to avoid each one. Mistake number 1, trying to get rich quick. A lot of new investors think the market is a casino. They chase hype, crypto pumps, and viral TikTok stock tips. They try to turn $100 into $10,000 overnight. But the truth? Fast gains often turn into fast losses. What to do instead? Invest in boring, proven things, like index funds. Let time and consistency do the work. Mistake number 2, trying to time the market. Waiting for the perfect moment. Trying to buy at the bottom and sell at the top. Sounds smart, but even the experts get it wrong. The perfect time? It's yesterday. The next best time? Today. What to do instead? Invest regularly, every month, no matter what. Mistake number 3, investing money you can't afford to lose. Rent money. Emergency funds. Your last $100. That's not investing, that's gambling. And if the market drops, you'll panic. You'll sell at the worst possible time. What to do instead? Only invest money you don't need for the next few years. Build an emergency fund first. Mistake number 4, buying too many stocks too soon. 20 stocks, 15 ETFs, crypto, gold, meme coins. Your portfolio becomes a mess. Too much, too fast. What to do instead? Start simple. 1 or 2 index funds, like VOO or SPI, are more than enough. Mistake number 5, quitting too early. Some people give up after 2 months. They say, it's not working, or I only made a few dollars. But investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Real growth happens over years, not weeks. What to do instead? Be patient. Stay in the game. Let compound interest do its thing. Final thoughts. Mistakes happen, but now you know how to avoid them. Keep it simple. Start small. Be consistent. That's how you win. Subscribe to Wealth Seeds for real investing tips. No hype, no noise, just results.